Good day, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be considering a new concept, which is list and power apps. Now, we'll be doing that concurrently, and I'll show you how a basic intro into how you can work with lists and also power apps. Quickly, what you do is make sure you are on your home office portal. Now, the next thing you will do is you want to search, you go into your home, click on launch app, then search for lists and click on lists. Now, why I'm starting from lists allows you create something like a database. Now, I might want to start my flow from database, or I might want to start my application from database. As the case may be, or be it as it may, now I just want to show you how you can work with lists and how it's possible to work with power apps in also list. Now the next thing we're going to do here is I want to click on, you can just keep all this. Now for you to create a new list, you just click on create a new list. Now, you can start a list from an Excel or from an existing list. Maybe you have other lists in your app. You can start from there, or you can start from a blank, or alternatively, you can start from various templates and various forms you have here. Now, for this particular one, we might want to start from a canvas because this is just an intro. We'll be going deeper as the class goes on in most of these concepts. Now, you have issue tracker, you have employee onboarding, events, iterations, assistant managers, and the likes. Even you have an expense tracker that keeps track of all your. So I think gift ideas. I think what we should go with is something like an expense tracker. Now we want to create an expense tracker list database. So we'll click on it. Now, what we are seeing here is the various columns and rows that will be in the list. We have items, date, the amount, the category, a description of it, and a receipt. Now, that's all these things here. They are like dummy data showing you on how what are the various columns and how they would look like. So I can just use template. Now it says I should give it a name. I will just leave it as expense tracker. I might want to change the color. Now I can give it a description as expense. Now just a description for the list now. Now I want to change the color. You could give it an icon. So for me, since it's going to be an expense tracker, I might want to use this. And now you can, it's going to be under my list, and you click on create. So now it's currently creating, and it has successfully created our list, which has the item, the date, the amount, the category, the description, the receipt, and you can add many other columns by clicking on this plus icon here. If you click on it, you can add more columns to it. But where I'm going to today, and if you notice, you can share, you can save these lists as record comes in to this list. You can save it as a CSV or as an Excel file. Now you can also automate things from this list. And finally you can integrate from this list. And where is our concern for today is we want to integrate, and I want to integrate this into a Power App. So from my list, I can create an application for people who want to track their expenses daily. So from here, I'll just click on Power Apps. Then you want to click on application, create application. Now it asks for a name. I want to give it a name as expense tracker. Now and I will click on create. Now what it's currently doing is that it's trying to transform the list into an app. Now it's asking for my account. I just have to click on the account and wait while it tries to process that. It could take some minutes, but all you just have to do is just be patient with it. Okay, it's currently asking for our country, so I'm gonna say fine Nigeria, then get started. And here it's trying to convert the list into a mobile application or a web application for us. Wow, firstly, it has been able to create our first application view, which is on the mobile view. Now, if we want to track this now, presently you're not seeing anything here because we don't have any record on our lists. But if you just click on the top right, this is a Power App environment. If you don't mind, the there is the home, there is the insert. It's more or less like a template, an ID environment where you can do customizations to building your application. But at the far top right here, if I click on play, now you notice I have the expense tracker as the title, just as we gave it the other time, and you have the search here. So take for instance, I want to add an entity to it. Now I can just click on this plus sign. It says the title. Now the title could be I could say airtime, and you could select the date. From here I want to select the date of record. Now the amount I could say 1,000. Now the category is going to be personal. Then description, I might just want to leave it. Then if there was a receipt, I could attach it. But since I don't have any receipt, all I just have to do now is to click this submit. That is the check here. Once you click on it, now it has added that you can see airtime, it gave the date and the amount here. And quick note, if you come back to your SharePoint list, you notice that you already have that already inside your SharePoint list already. Now, basically, this is how you can create an application that is a a Power App application from a SharePoint list. Now, in other videos, we'll also be looking at how you can customize this and make it better. The look and feel should be better, and we can do some further customization. But for this class, it's just a basic intro, and you have been able to learn how you can create a Power App from a list. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe, share, and like the video. See you in the next.